In this video, I would like to step aside and talk about another important topic. So today we're going to talk about packages in Go programming language. Every programming language provides some tools for code organization. That allows grouping some functionality as well as hide some implementation details and so on. Then the group functionality can be exposed as a separate library which allows reusing it in other applications. In Go, that can be achieved by separating code into packages. We have seen packages in action in the previous videos. Most common package we've been using so far was the thumbed package from the Go standard library. Let's quickly review it. The first step we need to take to start using packages is to import it. To import a package, we use the import keyword followed by the package name or the list of packages. Once the package is imported, it has to be used in the code, otherwise the program will not compile. I'm using VS Code here with the Go extension and the Go import setting, which automatically imports required package on save. So to demonstrate the compilation error, I will turn that setting off. Imported and not used. Now let me put the setting back. Okay, let's move on. To use the package means we need to call one of the functions defined in that package. To call a function, we need to specify the package name followed by the dot and a function name. When we want to use another package, we need to import it first and then use it. Let's use a title function from the strings package as an example. It is possible to set a custom name for a package when we import it. To do that, we need to specify that name in front of the imported package. Although it's usually fine to use packages with their original name, at least when the package comes from a standard library. Alright, now we know how to use packages, but how do we know which packages to use and where do we find them? Let's start with the packages from the Go standard library. The first thing we can do is to open the Golang website, which is golang.org. Then navigate to the packages page, where we can find all the packages from the standard library. For example, here we can find thumbed package. Then click on the package name to see the documentation of the package. When we need to find third-party packages, we can open go.dev.org website. Here we can start looking for a package name. Let's say we want to generate UUIDs in our application. We type UUID in a search bar and we get the list of all packages related to UUIDs. Now we can choose one of them and navigate to its page, where we're going to see its documentation. If we go back to GoDoc page, the GoDoc suggests us to try out a new website for a package discovery and docs, which is pkg.go.dev. Here we can do the same. Look for UUID to get the list of packages. And navigate to the package page to read its documentation. This is how to discover the packages and get their documentation. Now let's see how we can start using those packages. The packages from the standard library are known for Go compiler. It is enough to import them to start using. The third-party packages, on the other hand, can be hosted anywhere in the internet. To start using those packages, we need to download them first. That brings us to the go.get command, which accepts an URL to the package, downloads it, and installs it. So there is again the UUID package we want to use. The package documentation contains a full path to the package, which is usually a working URL. We can copy it and open to see. That's what we do now. We copy that URL and run the go.get command. That will download the package and installs it on our system. Now we can use it in our program. We import it using this URL as a package name. And then we use one of its functions. Now our program uses an external package. In the next video, we'll see how to organize our code into packages.